Hello everyone, I'm Divya from Divya's Feather Friends. I'm once again back with a new video. As you all know, festival is going on. Everyone is busy shopping for their home, for themselves, for clothes, like clothes, jewelry, furniture, etc. But don't avoid your birds. Gift them this festive season with beautiful toys. All my toys are made from wood, and wood is very safe for birds. It gives them a natural feeling, natural environment. This is a V perch, V-shaped perch. It is like branches, it has two branches. You can fix it. It is a 2 feet perch. Most of the time birds spend their time on these perches. They rest on these, they sleep on this. So this is a very important product for birds. You can fix inside a cage. It has a hook, a nut bolt to fix inside a cage. This is up to 2 feet. Quite strong and durable. It is made from neem wood. Now, oh my God, now this is something very huge. If you have a macaw or big bird, any big bird like cockatoo, this is for them. A big swing, beautiful swing. It is 18-inch height, 1.5 feet, made from wood, colorful swing, beautiful design, good for macaws. Macaws playing. They can play on this swing and make them happy. This is a huge colorful chew toy, 4-layer chew toy. Chewing is very important for birds. I always tell you in all my videos, birds always need something or the other to chew. This is a huge 4-layer colorful toy made from natural wood. It is very safe for the birds, and the colors used are also food colors. So it will be no harmful for the birds and quite safe. You can hang it in the cage, they can play, they can chew. Bunch of colorful chew toy. This is also a chew toy used for playing, used for chewing, made from natural wood, natural tree wood. So this is also very beautiful. Huge varieties available of beautiful toys, unique designs. Grab fast. Also I am giving you discount on these toys. All toys are available on discount prices. For price you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 8369286868. I'll mention in the caption below. So please DM or WhatsApp those who want to order or those who are interested. This is a cuttle-bone Jhumar toy. This acts as a foraging toy also. There are cuttlefish bone pieces in between the wood pieces. So this is also very beautiful toy. And the colors used are food colors, not harmful for the birds, very safe. This is a rope net toy, 1.5 feet, useful for playing, for climbing. Climbing gives them good exercise. Exercise is also very important for the birds. So don't just cage them, keep them engaged with these beautiful toys. This is 1 feet chew toy made from natural tree wood. Cage hangings can be used as cage hangings. Very beautiful, 1 feet and quite reasonable price. This is a ladder. It has hooks to hang inside the cage. This is 17-inch ladder. 17-inch ladder. It can be hanged inside a cage. The cage size must be 2 feet at least, or 3 feet also will do. Now this is a rope. Rope is also used for playing. This is made from jute rope. This is made from jute rope. It is quite strong and durable. Even if this is height, this is of 3 feet and can be used for big birds also, like macaws and greys, eclectus, amazons, even sun conures can be used. This is a hammock cum ladder. Hammock cum ladder, and it has got a chew toy in between. Very beautiful toy. This can be used for small and medium sized birds. For budgies, cockatiels, conures, sun conures. Most of the bird parents tell me that my birds destroy all the toys in no time. So that is their nature. So we can't help that. So if they destroy, we can get them new ones. So that is not a big problem. So, and also birds are like children. Like children destroy the toys, same way birds also destroy the toys. So that is not a big issue. You can get them new toys also.